welcome to Jenny video. Today I'm making couscous and lamb racks. This is 2 cups of couscous and I'm making the lamb racks in the pressure pot. Right here. Let's look at the ingredients that we're gonna need today. 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon cumin, salt to taste, half a teaspoon black pepper and half a teaspoon crushed red pepper, and some olive oil. It's going to be spicy. Our lamb is marinated. Now let's put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. While the lamb is marinating, we can make our couscous. To make the couscous, we're gonna need a pinch of salt. I'm using sea salt, and a pinch of paprika, and a pinch of ground cumin. Mix it together. And boiling water. You just need enough to cover the couscous. Cover it and set aside. Our lamb is marinating and couscous is getting ready. Once the couscous is ready, I'm going to add some vegetables to it. Let's saute our vegetables. Follow me. Heat a pan and add olive oil. The size of the pan depends on the vegetables that you want to make. All you need is just a little bit of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add red bell pepper. I'm going to save some of it for the lamb. Yellow bell pepper. Save some for your lamb. And a little bit of zucchini. Tiny bit of sea salt. You can use regular salt also. It took me about 5 minutes to saute this. Now you can turn the heat off. Now let's make our lamb. First add a little bit of olive oil. About 1 tablespoon. Medium sliced red onion. You can use white onion if that's what you prefer. Minced ginger and garlic. Add as much as you like. I love the taste of garlic, so I added extra garlic. A pinch of ground cumin. Add our peppers. Yellow pepper, red pepper. Some carrots. These are baby carrots. Half a teaspoon cayenne pepper. This is a star anise. If you don't have it, you don't have to add it. I have it, so I thought I'd add it for extra flavor. And a small piece of cinnamon stick. A little bit of celery. Rosemary. Just 1 fresh bay leaf. You can use the dry one if you don't have fresh. And some thyme. Salt to taste. I'm using sea salt today. And about 1 cup of dry red wine. I'm using Merlot. Mix it all together. It smells so good. I'm already hungry. Now, place the meat on top. Seal it and cook for 20 minutes and natural release. Select meat and set the timer for 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's check on our couscous. This looks good. All you need is to fluff it with the fork. If it's easier, use your hands if you can stand the heat. Here is our fluffy couscous. Now let's mix the vegetables. I love veggies. See, this is so colorful. I'm ready to eat. You can use this as a salad as well, but today I'm going to wait for the lamb. Eagerly waiting for the lamb to cook. I am so hungry. Let's check if all the pressure has been released. Yes! Come on over here, check the lamb. Woo! Hot! Mix it with the gravy. The gravy looks good. The meat is so soft. This smells delicious. Can't wait to eat it. So I did not add any water to it. And still there's a lot of gravy in it. This is completely filled with flavor. It smells so good. So much flavor. I love this recipe. You will love it too. I hope you make this recipe at home, and thank you for subscribing my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and see you next time with a different video. Bye-bye.